Most businesses don't lose customers because of a bad product. They lose customers because they look unprofessional. That's just the honest truth. And the harsh reality is this: people judge your business before they even read your pitch or hear your pitch. Before they read your proposal, before they visit your website, before they understand your value, they judge your visuals, your presentations, your branding, and your communication. And today, you can't afford that, in all honesty, if you're running a business. I want to test whether AI can actually help solo entrepreneurs finally compete visually with much bigger companies based on the 4 things that I just mentioned. Quick disclaimer as always before we go any further: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It does not constitute business or finance advice. You have to remember that. See, one of the biggest mistakes entrepreneurs make is thinking professionalism only matters once your business becomes successful. But the honest truth is that without professionalism, you're not going to get any business in the first place. So I would argue that it actually matters more when you're starting up to be more professional, because once you're a big company, you have a reputation, you have trust, you have stability. You can actually afford to have a worse brand, or, you know what I mean? Even though I wouldn't encourage that, of course, but you can actually afford that because there's obviously something backing your business already, which is proof that it actually works. Whereas in the beginning, you don't have this proof. So in the beginning, it's imperative to get those things right from the start. So in reality, professionalism is often what helps you become successful as a new entrant, because whether people admit it or not, visual presentation affects trust. Think about it properly. If somebody sends you a poorly designed proposal, an unreadable PDF, cluttered graphics, or weak branding, you immediately assume that this business is not real. It lacks credibility. It might even be fake. It's a scam. This is how I think when I see these things not being up to scratch. And this is despite the service being amazing. And this becomes a huge problem for solo founders, freelancers, creators, and small business owners, because not everybody has a design team, a branding agency, or thousands to spend on visuals. So today, this is what we're going to do. I'm going to test whether AI design tools can help solo entrepreneurs present themselves like real companies. So the tool I'm testing today is called Venngage AI. What stood out straight away to me was that this isn't just about making graphics, it's about positioning more like an AI-powered business communication toolkit, meaning brochures, presentations, proposals, infographics, reports, business visuals, social graphics, and documents, all generated and customized to the T using AI. And according to Venngage, there are now over 100 free AI-powered design tools available. So let's test this from a real entrepreneur's perspective, not as a designer, but as somebody trying to build trust and communicate more professionally. One thing I actually liked is the homepage workflow. Right from the main page, there's a central AI prompt widget where you can choose the specific tool you want before entering your prompt, as I'm demonstrating right now. So instead of navigating through complicated menus, you basically start with the outcome you want straight away, which is really important because I think this means that you're getting straight to the punch instead of messing around the bush. So for this video, I'm focusing on AI Brochure Generator, and the goal is simple. Can this help a solo entrepreneur create something that actually looks professional? That's the most important thing. We want to compete with the bigger organizations, and in order to do that, we need to look the part. So looking professional from day one is really important for us. So enter the prompt for a fictional business type, audience, services, as I'm demonstrating right now. I entered brand tone as well and visual direction, and within minutes, as you can see, the AI generated a full brochure concept, which looks amazing. And I'm not sure I would have been able to do this within a week 5 years ago or even 3 years ago, which is incredible. That just demonstrates how quickly AI is becoming very useful for business owners in my position. Now, obviously, you still want to personalize your message and branding as always, but what impressed me was the following. The starting point is truly amazing, because for many entrepreneurs, starting is the hardest part. A blank page kills momentum, and this gives you structure, visual direction, copy inspiration, and professionally designed layouts from the jump, which can save you a huge amount of time and obviously money if you think about this from a long-term perspective, because you're going to need this consistently. See, another feature I thought was generally useful was the built-in AI editing tools inside the workflow itself. So instead of jumping between different platforms, you can rewrite text, generate icons, create visual and customize designs on top of that without leaving the editor. And for entrepreneurs, this is crucial in the sense that workflow efficiency truly matters, because most most founders are already handling multiple things such as sales, marketing, customer service, operations. So having you being able to outsource this to something that looks really professional really saves you time, because as I mentioned, you're managing all of these things at the same time. So reducing friction is important for you as an entrepreneur. And something else worth mentioning is the following. You don't need advanced design skills on top of this. You can be a novice like me and still enjoy this platform. The platform is clearly designed to help non-designers create polished visuals more easily, while still giving you the flexibility for customization, which is exactly what you need in the business. I think a lot of entrepreneurs underestimate how much visual communication affects business opportunities, because investors, clients, customers, and partners all make assumptions based on presentation quality. And today's attention economy, clarity matters more than ever. Good visuals help people understand faster, trust faster, and engage faster with your business. That's why businesses invest heavily into branding, design proposals, pitch decks, and all of these presentation documents that clearly are used to attract either more business, more clients, or even investors. The problem is most small businesses can't afford large creative teams, which is where AI tools like this becomes truly interesting and massively an asset from this perspective. Not because they magically guarantee success, but because they help lower the barrier to creating professional, quality looking materials. One area I think deserves more attention is accessibility, because good design isn't just about looking impressive. It's also about making information easier for people to understand and access. And Venngage includes the following features: all text support, color contrast checking, accessible PDF export, screen reader compatibility, and AI-powered accessibility checking. This is important because accessibility communication helps businesses reach wider audience more effectively, and honestly, a lot of entrepreneurs never even think about this side of design. So beyond brochures, I also tested social graphics, proposal layouts, as I'm demonstrating right now, client presentation visuals, and infographic styled content. And the biggest takeaway for me was speed, going from an idea to something visually polished in minutes, not weeks, not months, minutes. This is especially useful for content creators, consultants, agency, coaches, freelancers, and online businesses, because creating visuals manually can take weeks, months when you think about all the revisions and back and forth. So we are bypassing that completely with this tool. So here's my honest opinion. I don't think AI replaces great designers. Great creative professionals still bring strategy, originality, storytelling, and human creativity. But I do think tools like this help entrepreneurs move faster. And in a busy, competitive world, moving fast is your biggest advantage. This also helps you as a business owner to communicate more professionally with your stakeholders and create stronger first impressions, especially if you're operating as a solo founder. And in your business, first impressions matters the most. First impressions is how people are going to judge you for the duration of any discussion. So at the end of the day, people often see your presentation before they ever experience your product. And whether we like it or not, that affects trust. So if you want to try to test out Venngage AI tools for yourself so you can see whether this is useful for yourself, you can check them out below. Use my code YOMA50 to enjoy 50% off your annual plan for Venngage Premium or Business Plan. But with that said, it's time for me to round up this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like, subscribe, and tap notification, because we're entering a completely different era of entrepreneurship, and the entrepreneurs who communicate clearly will have a massive advantage. I'll see you on the next one, where we're of course going to be talking about more business, finance, and entrepreneurship.